Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. We put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and you got about s squared minus 6s. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about 2u du. First the derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. First the derivative of 6s, you got about number 6 ds. Later that we do factorization by number 2. This one we change by u. 2 multiplied by s minus 3 ds, we change by 2u du. So u and u got about u squared. The integration of u squared, you got about u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.